Here's a walnut box that I made. It's big enough for 8.5 by 11 paper. The interior is about 12.5 by 9.5. I've got book matched corners, so it appears to be one continuous piece, at least an approximation of that. There were some defects in the wood. I filled those with CA glue. That may or may not be one of them. There's some nice character of the wood just by itself. This is the single non-book matched corner, so good continuity here, but it messed at the base a bit. I've routed a groove for finger slot to take the lid off. It's just a clip-in lid. So the lid is from two pieces of wood. There's a joint here. You can see it better on the inside. So there's the discontinuity in the grain, but it looks pretty good regardless. The interior has some of the white edge wood from the walnut showing, and it kind of flows into the base. This base is about 1/4 inch thick, made out of one solid piece, which I cut down. I did mess up the corners a little bit. I have some glue marks. Those are annoying, but it is what it is. I saw that when I put the first coat of oil on and considered trying to address it, but it's pretty subtle. I'm going to leave it as is. This was a defect in the wood. I filled that with black CA glue. And where's another spot like that? Here's another spot like that. There was a defect there. There's a tiny little ding here in the corner still that resisted filling. But I'm pretty happy with the end result. The lid ended up slightly thinner than the rest of it after sanding, so some of the sanding was just too aggressive. But anyways, there's defects, but it was a fun project.